Shanmukhi Mudra is advanced version of Bhramari Pranayama. Mudra, Mudamra iti dadati mudra. What does it mean? That whatever brings happiness to us is mudra. So mudra is not only the hand gestures, mudra can be anything. Mudra can be sound also, that is called as Vagbhava Mudra. And mudra can be a mental state also, where it is called as Manoja Mudra. The details of mudra are given in my lecture called as Introduction to Mudra Therapy on my YouTube channel. You can go through it. Here, Shanmukhi Mudra is a combination of the body, that is Dehodbhava Mudra, sound, that is Makara, humming bee sound, that is Vagbhava Mudra, and the mental state of removing all the distractions coming from our five senses, that is Manoja Mudra. So, what are the five senses? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin. Through these five senses, we human beings get distracted. We are so unfortunate that other animals, they have only natural urges. But as humans, we have developed some intelligence and we have developed some kind of habits to, entertain our senses too much. We all know what we are talking about. So that is where we are stuck and we become dependent on various things like our taste, like our smell, like our touch, like our vision, and we abuse our senses. To stop abusing our senses and to improve the peace of mind, to improve the neurotransmitters in the brain, we have something called as Shanmukhi Mudra. Now, how to do Shanmukhi Mudra? Index fingers and middle fingers pressing on the eyes. Nostrils slightly obliterated by the ring finger, slightly, not completely. Then upper lip is pressed by little finger. And finally, the thumb will be pressing inside the ear. Means that tragus is there, no? One cartilage, outpouching of one cartilage that we will press inside the ear canal. And 5 rounds of Makara, trying to stimulate each and every sense to calm it down and to remove all the kinds of negativity coming through that sense. Okay, let us do that. 5 rounds of Shanmukhi Mudra. Humming bee sound. Slowly release your hands and relax completely. Observe the changes which have happened because of practice of Shanmukhi Mudra. The chanting of Makar, the humming bee sound, as we have discussed many a times, it stimulates the skull base and it improves the function of vagus nerve. This vagus nerve supplies all the visceral organs in the body, almost all, and they are given a state of relaxation through the stimulation of vagus nerve, through various neurotransmitters, through release of various chemicals. The tension on the human circulatory system and respiratory system is reduced. Okay, I hope you are able to feel those things, and if you are not, it means that you are trying to overexert, or maybe you are not doing it properly. If you feel you're not doing it properly, you can go to our previous videos on the YouTube channel and you can see where the mistakes are happening. Okay,